Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Um, I just want to make a quick video for you guys and go over what Bitcoin technical analysis is. If you guys been watching the previous videos on my channel, you guys will see that I've been mentioning like critical points of crypto and Bitcoin. So right now we are at another critical point facing our previous resistance of 22,200, and we are currently going below, as you guys can see right now. We are facing some very important key levels of the Bitcoin. As I mentioned below, and again in my previous video, I mentioned that we're going to come and retest 23,000 before we retested 21,000 or 22,200 area, and that's exactly where we're at, and we actually broke below it. So let's go over kind of what happened. If you guys remember, we have this old area of our old Fibonacci support, right, going from the bottom of July 13th to the top of July 20th, which was $24,400, right? So we just wrote a Fibonacci extension, and right now we are hoping we are bouncing off support. So we hope we do bounce right here. Why do I say this? Because our previous area of resistance was 22,200, and right now we are currently at 22,200. So this is very critical points right now. Um, if we do break below, you guys can see we did break a candle below it on the 4 hour. So we have to see if we're going to break above again the 0.382, which is around 22,300, which would hold up to our technical analysis that we've been doing the past week. Right, so as you guys can see, right now we are facing a crucial support. If we go to our exponential moving averages, you can see we tested exactly where I mentioned yesterday, the 55 exponential and the 200-day moving averages on the 4 hour chart. If we go to the daily chart, we're going to retest our 8 exponential moving average, currently waking down to our about 21 day, 21 exponential moving, 13 exponential moving average. Um, But again, if we do not hold support, if we break this daily candle below the 8 exponential moving average, then we are going to retest our zero point 0.5 Fibonacci in the next 2 to 3 days. If we do not break above the 8 exponential moving average on the daily, which will correspond to our 8 exponential moving average on the 4 hour chart. Right, so right now we retested. Right, we are retesting right now, and I have a feeling we might actually wick down to the 21,700 area and potentially move back up. Um, if we do break below this area here, before the 200 exponential moving average on the 4 hour chart, then I do have a feeling we're going to retest 21.7 for sure. And it does not look strong right now. On the 4 hour, you can see we are still kind of like fighting resistance right now, really struggling to stay above 55 exponential moving average. Because if we do break below that, then most likely we're going to drop down and retest some candles, right? So if you guys have been watching my videos this week, I hope you guys have been, because I am like beyond stoked with my technical analysis. Um, let's go ahead and take a look. On the daily, we are still pretty oversold on the stochastic RSI, and the RSI is right above the 50% mark. The MACD on the daily, we look like we are starting to come down to a close. So these are again critical levels. Um, worst comes to worst, we do want to see a bounce off the 21,000 golden pocket area from our Fibonacci extension, but these bounces would be good, right? Bullish indications would be us bouncing off the zero point 0.5 level Fibonacci extension. So nothing has really changed in my technical analysis from the previous days, but right now we are retesting critical support. And if you guys watched yesterday's video, I mentioned that we were bouncing off this 8 exponential moving average, which is why we kind of rose to the top. But as you can see now, we are closing below it. We have about 7 hours left on the daily chart to confirm this close below the 8 exponential moving average. and then for sure we're going to retest our 21 EMA and zero point 0.5 Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, so what happened yesterday, right? So let's go to the 1 hour extension, and on the 1 hour extension, 1 hour time frame, we're just simply gonna remove our exponential moving averages, right? We're gonna draw a Fibonacci extension from very short time frames, right? Sorry, very short time frames. So we're gonna do it from the top of the Fibonacci extension to the current bottom. And you can see we got rejected out the 0.65, 0.618 Fibonacci extension levels. And again, we could bring that back down to here, so I could show you guys kind of where the rejection was. Again, 0.32 was kind of pretty weak here, but yeah, so we did not break above and did not hold support, so we could do an extension from here to here, from our bottom to our top, and we can see we got rejected clearly up to 0.618, 0.5 Fibonacci on the 1 hour. And yesterday I was playing this part here. As soon as we did not break above, and I knew we were going to break back down, so I did short this area here, going based off of the 1 hour time frame, right? So I did this extension here. So I did the extension from July 21st, from our point of retesting, right? So we found support, and then now we're retesting again. So, and we just broke support and we broke below it. So this is a really crucial area for us to kind of retest and bounce to see where we might end up, right? So I hope this makes enough sense for you guys to see where we might possibly go here. If we do not close above the 8 exponential moving average on the 4 hour chart and on the daily chart, this is a very critical week for us, right? Because we are facing mass support, right? If I go to the weekly on Bitcoin, we are facing the 8 weekly exponential moving average, right? I'm sorry for the Fibonacci. You see, we are facing the 8 weekly exponential moving average, wicking on top of it and closing below it. If we wanted to see clear bullish indicators, we would break above it and close above it. The same thing for the daily would be considered the 55 exponential moving average. And there is none for the 4 hour chart, right? For the 4 hour chart, we just clearly have to make new higher highs, which is around $24,300, $400. So let me know where you guys' thoughts is. You think we're gonna bounce off this key area of support, which is $22,000 with Bitcoin, as you guys can see here. What is your guys' thoughts? Yeah, so as you guys can see, that 1 hour retracement line, we have key indicators. So we might break down to 0.618 Fibonacci extension, which is around $21,455. So we might possibly wick down, touch the 0.5 Fibonacci extension, and come back up. I hope this makes sense. I am using multiple Fibonacci extensions as well. We have a long-term one and then a short-term one, right? So we have the short-term one here on the 1 hour. But if you go to the 4 hour, we are retracing from July 13th to July 20th, showing from the bottom to the top, and hopefully where we would find support at. Right now we're breaking below our 0.38, hopefully retesting our 0.5 before we go back up. If we break below our 0.55, we're going to retest 21,000. That's for sure. All right, let me know what your guys' thoughts, and on yeah, yep. Let me know what you guys' thoughts, what you guys think, and have a good one, and peace out.